dancing through the snow, celebrating loud. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the whole crowd.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
AI Smart Wealth to Christmas.
Happy holidays, come on and dance with me. AI Smart Wealth turns to Christmas, feel the glee.
Stop scrolling. This is not a normal Christmas video. In this video, I'll show you how anyone can create a fun holiday dance using AI. No camera, no experience, just creativity. Welcome to AI Smart Wealth. This channel is all about using AI in smart, creative, and fun ways to turn ideas into content. What you're seeing here is an AI-generated holiday dance. And today, I'll show you how you can create something like this too. You don't need to show your real face. You don't need expensive tools. And you don't need to be an expert. You can use an avatar, a character, or even a simple image and turn it into a holiday dance video. This is about creativity, not perfection. An animal dancing, a robot dancing, a cartoon character, a funny object.
Happy holidays, everyone. Let's dance and sing with cheer.
Let me show you how I create this using AI.
Happy holidays, dance with me tonight.
First, go to grok.com. From the left menu, click Imagine. Select Video. Choose your video size, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts. In Attach, click Upload a file. Paste your prompt, click Generate. Download your video. That's it. Different outfits, different characters, different holiday styles. Here's the challenge. Create your own AI holiday dance video. It can be Christmas, New Year, or winter themed. Upload your video to YouTube as a short or a normal video. Then come back to this video and paste the link to your video in the comments. Also write this exact phrase, AI Holiday Dance Challenge. I'll be checking the comments and watching your videos. What would you make dance? If you enjoy learning AI in a simple and creative way, subscribe to AI Smart Wealth. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tutorials and challenges.